When I was 22 years old, I walked into an Ashtanga Yoga full primary series class. And I didn't realize it at the time, but that fortuitous meeting with this traditional style of yoga would radically transform my life. I was lost and searching for a way to live a more peaceful life. I can look back now and I can see that this was a time of sincere spiritual searching. I was evaluating all the decisions that I'd taken in my life, and I realized that I didn't yet know how to make peace with myself. So I turned to the practice of yoga without really knowing too much about it. It was only when I made the decision to join that Ashtanga yoga class, something in me said, yes, I want to keep practicing. Less than a year later, I made the trip to India to meet my teachers, Pattabhi Jois and his grandson, Sharat Jois. And I've been practicing with them ever since. Nearly 3 decades later, I can tell you that this is a path, that yoga is a path of inner peace, that all you have to do is keep practicing. And it doesn't matter really what shape the asanas look like. If you just keep getting back on the mat over and over again, the slow, steady progress that you will experience will be measured not in the asanas that you will accumulate, but in the feeling of deep peace and resolution that you'll experience within your mind and your body, and also as a mirror reflected back at you from all the interactions in your life. This is really the essence of the transformation that's available to everyone who steps on the mat. We all have different physicalities, we all have different interests, and yet the thing that unites everyone that steps onto the spiritual path of yoga is a sincere desire to live a more peaceful life. Sooner or later, the tool of the practice of yoga asana leads us to make peace with those warring parts of ourselves. And the more we keep practicing, the more peace we keep experiencing. So when you are beginning your journey on the practice of yoga, or whether you've been practicing for many years, taking time to reconnect with that spiritual essence of the journey will make the practice so much more meaningful and so much more deep. So keep practicing.